Hi friends, good evening and welcome to my channel Mukambika Nursing. Friends, here in this video we can see questions from microbiology. In yesterday's video, we discuss questions from anatomy and physiology. Let's start the question. First question, the best method of sterilization of syringes is options. Option A, autoclave. Option B, hot air oven. Option C, boiling. Option D, irradiation. The best method of sterilization of syringes. Glass syringes, glass vials like test tubes, flask, etc. are sterilized by using hot air oven. Option B is the correct answer. And the next question, best method of sterilization of dressing powder is options. Option A, autoclave. Option B, hot air oven. Option C, chemical method. Option D, radiation. Dressing powder is sterilized by hot air oven. Option B is the correct answer. Dressing powder is a dry material. Okay, so it should be sterilized by using hot air oven. And the next question, red heat is used for the sterilization of options. Option A, all glass syringes. Option B, inoculating wires and loops. Option C, soiled dressings. Option D, glass slides. And the correct answer is inoculating wires and loops. Red heat or flaming is a method of dry heat sterilization, and this method is used for the sterilization of inoculating wires and loops, and also used to sterilize tip of forceps and needles. And the next question, endoscopic instrument and catheters are sterilized by options. Option A, autoclave. Option B, hot air oven. Option C, chemical method. Option D, 2% glutaraldehyde. And the correct answer is option D, 2% glutaraldehyde. This 2% glutaraldehyde is used to sterilize bronchoscopic instruments, also endoscopic instrument, then cystoscopic instrument. That here, endoscopic instruments and catheters are sterilized by using 2% glutaraldehyde. And the next question, the pressure set in autoclave for sterilization is options. Option A, 15 pound. Option B, 5 pound. Option C, 20 pound. Option D, 10 pound. The pressure in autoclave is option A, 15 pound. For an effective sterilization, the steam pressure in autoclave should be 15 pounds per inch square or 1.05 kilogram per centimeter square, and the temperature should be in 121 degrees Celsius, and its time for 30 minutes. That is, this pressure and temperature should be maintained for 30 minutes for an effective sterilization. And the next question, Vidal test is performed for identifying options. Option A, Clostridium. Option B, Salmonella. Option C, Streptococci. Option D, Meningococci. Vidal test is performed for identifying Salmonella. Option B is the correct answer. Salmonella typhi, which cause typhoid fever or enteric fever. The test which is used to identify this enteric fever or typhoid fever is Vidal test. And the next question, the vaccination was first performed by options. Option A, Jonas Salk. Option B, Edward Jenner. Option C, Joseph Lisner. Option D, Alexander Fleming. Vaccination was first performed by Edward Jenner. Option B is the correct answer. Another important point we can see, Edward Jenner is considered as the father of immunology. And the first smallpox vaccine was discovered by Edward Jenner, and also first successful immunization against smallpox was made by Edward Jenner. And the next question, the optimum temperature for most pathogenic bacteria is options. Option A, 25 degrees Celsius. Option B, 27 degrees Celsius. And option C, 37 degrees Celsius. And option D, 40 degrees Celsius. And the correct answer is it is 37 degrees Celsius. Optimum temperature means the temperature at which the bacterial growth occurs the best. Okay, that is the optimum temperature of bacterial growth is 37 degrees Celsius. and the bacteria grows between 20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius is known as mesophilic bacteria, and between 55 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius is known as thermophilic bacteria, and the bacteria grows below 20 degrees Celsius is known as psychrophilic bacteria. Okay, this is an important point. And the next question, this is one of the previous year ESIC question. Method of sterilization for articles used into dressing is options. Option A, hot air oven. Option B, autoclave. Option C, chemical sterilization. And option D, all of this. Correct answer is autoclave. The articles which is used for dressing should be sterilized by autoclaving. We can see the next question. In a laboratory culture, most human pathogens grow best in options. Option A, 30 to 37 degrees Celsius. Option B, 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Option C, 40 to 47 degrees Celsius. And option D, 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. Question. In the laboratory culture, human pathogens grow best in. And the correct answer will go option A, 30 to 37 degrees Celsius. Majority of the pathogenic bacteria which grow at normal body temperature. Normal body temperature is at about 37 degrees Celsius. So the answer is 30 to 37 degrees Celsius. If the temperature become very low or if the temperature become above high means the organism will destroy. The pathogenic organism will destroy. And the next question. Pneumococci was discovered by options. Option A, Robert Koch. Option B, Rox and Ersin. Option C, Frankel. Option D, Nicoler. And the correct answer is option C, Frankel. Pneumococci was discovered by Frankel. And the next question, heart-lung machine is sterilized by options. Option A, chlorine. Option B, ethylene oxide. Option C, hot air oven. Option D, phenol. Heart-lung machine is sterilized by ethylene oxide. Option B is the correct answer. Also, this ethylene oxide is used to sterilize sutures, then dental equipments, then glasses, etc. The next question, life cycle of malaria parasite in mosquito was discovered by options. Option A, Louis Pasteur. Option B, Robert Koch. Option C, Sir Ronald Ross. Option D, Neisser. Life cycle of malaria parasite in mosquito was discovered by Sir Ronald Ross. Option C is the correct answer. Today in this video, we discuss questions from microbiology section, all previous year questions. Surely these questions will helpful for your studies.